Hi everyone, welcome back. We're gonna plan the classic happy planner like usual. And we're gonna plan the next week in April. So I'll pull that out. And then what we're gonna do, I'll turn to that page in my planner of all my ideas. But I already did the random number selection. So what we're gonna do is washi border stickers. And I'm not really sure what that is, but I pulled out some washi to use, and I pulled out some stickers. So we're gonna do that. Put that to the side. So let's start. I don't really know what, like I said, what we're doing. So we're just gonna start with the stuff that I put on my planner every week that I know I need, like this habit tracker. Sorry, still getting over being sick. Yeah, so this habit tracker is just, I made it in a Word document. I made a shape in the Word document, and then I made the shape to the dimensions of this box. Apparently I was a little bit off because it's not perfect, but it's good enough. And then inside the shape I inserted a table and the words of all the daily tasks that I want to make sure that I do every single day. It's just easier to check it off instead of putting it on a list for every single day. So that's what I do here. And let's see, what else do we need? We'll pull some stickers from this Planner Basics box. Let's see, do we have any bills to pay? No, don't think so. And that box we're going to white out because we don't need to buy or calls or emails or errands, so I just white those out, and then we'll find a sticker to put over them. Sorry again. Yeah, so we'll start with the to-do sticker. I always have weekly to-do tasks. Do we want lowercase or uppercase? And I went with lowercase with a little purple asterisk. Is that what those are called? Leave me a comment down below. Is that what those are called? And then I need a sticker for that box, but it can't be a clear sticker because it's a purple box, and you can very obviously see the whiteout if it is. Ooh, but I found a little black box that says plan on it, so that works well. And then I don't exactly know what we're going to use that box for yet, so we'll just wait. And then what should we do next? I don't really know. I guess we'll go ahead and date the sides, date the planner since it's an undated planner. So I saw that cute purple numbers and I was like, that matches the spread so far, so we'll use those. Get my little tweezers and make sure we're doing the right date. The 19th is Monday, hopefully, and then all the way until the 25th. Guys, I'm sorry. So what do we want to do with that box? Let's pull out Planner Basics and see if they have any decorative stickers in there. I know those are harder to find because this is a very functional sticker book, but I need something. So in that box and in that box up in the corner. So let's start looking for something to use there. Try and take off that wrap because it's kind of peeling up, but it was taking stickers with it, so I just left it. Well, I do have bills to pay. Yeah, sorry. And I was going to use purple bullets for some tasks that I have on Monday, but I feel like it looks too purpley with that purple dates, and then that pink is just not the same color pink. So I didn't like like that. But then I found this cute star, which is more peach like that banner. So I used that, and then because I have two of the same sticker book meshed together, I had another star. And then I needed something for the 21st. So I was going to look for another star, but then I remembered that the 21st is actually a birthday. So I was like, let me find something for, like, to signify a birthday. And there's these cute little cupcakes. So just deciding where to put that. And then we'll put it, like, kind of crooked in the corner. And then I was looking for something that like said like birthday or something. But I don't really see it. I don't know if this sticker book has it or not. So what I decided to do was get out colorful boxes and just get a blank box, and then I could write like their name and happy birthday, or just birthday, their birthday. So I just got a black box and put that there under the cupcake. Put that away. And then really I think it just needs some sort of decoration. And then I was like, oh yeah, the bills, I do have bills to pay. So I was like, I can use like, I usually use bullet points there, which I do like better than a checklist. I don't know why, but I do. But then I was like, I'm almost done with the sticker sheet. It only has a few more left, and it does have a purple checklist, which will match. And then I can finally get rid of this sheet out of my planner that doesn't, it's not even like stuck in there. It's just kind of like in there because the pages stick together when it's closed. But like, the ring is broken, so it bugs me a lot. So we're almost done with that page. Yay. And then I'm like, what else can we use? I did pull off the backing off of that one because it was also peeling up. So I'm like, okay, definitely let's focus on that box now. I decided to start from the back and just kind of look for any decorative stickers. And then there's these little, like, I don't know, they're kind of decorative quotes stickers, I guess most of them are. And this one is kind of the same color as the peach. So I was like, maybe we'll use this sticker and then do the washi border for these, because I also haven't done anything that would be a washi border. So I just decided to put the purple skinny washi, which has like little hearts on it, as a border around this like peachy pink sticker, which kind of matches that banner on the other side. So I didn't want to use the pink peachy washi that I got out because I figured that would be just too much on that, like right next to the same color, and then it would probably be more obvious if they're a little bit off, because they're right next to each other. So here I'm just cutting the washi because I wanted the hearts to be, I didn't want them to be like sideways if I turned the washi, so I like cut the washi all the way down to that size, which was not very fun at all, and I very much use that information to determine the washi for the next one. I also didn't want any like gaps between the washi and the sticker, so that's why some of them got like pulled up. Yeah, so this just takes forever. And around this time I realized I was very hungry, so I don't know why that makes it like seem so much worse, because like it was like I want to go eat and this is taking forever to do. Do you guys do that? Would you just take a break? I don't know, because I was filming, I was like, I just want to finish this video. So I did not just go eat. But do you guys just take a break in the middle of eating, or are you like, let me finish this first and then I'll go eat type of person? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, so we're almost finished here, and then I realized, like, not all of, and here, like, there's like a little gap, so I just like used some of the purple without a heart. And I realized some of them weren't exactly like cut perfectly, so I just used a ruler and went down and cut to make sure I had a straight line. And then do that on the other side too. So, did you guys do anything exciting so far this month? I planning early, but I have been sick for a while, so nothing exciting. But yeah, so and then I decided to border it with more washi, and I went with this like funky black and white design, which I think is super cute, and also I can turn it sideways, so it is much faster. So like I said, I specifically picked a design that I knew would go fine sideways and look exactly the same, because I was not about to do all that work that I did with the hearts again. And just cut it so it's not overlapping any of the other boxes. And then I realized I left a little side piece sticking out, which I didn't want. I wanted it to look like a square, rectangle, whatever, not just go to the edge. And it looks super cute bordering the sticker, but then I realized that sticker is a little bit crooked, which does bug me, but I was not also about to redo all that purple washi when I made it straight, because, yeah, so no. So we just went with it. It's not very crooked, but it is a little bit crooked. So I decided to do a purple sticker in the other box that I needed to take up. Which, now that I look at it, I don't have a workout spot, so I don't know why I use that spot as decoration, but it's fine. The workouts are like already in order, so I really don't need a workout spot, especially. It's just nice to have it on that page to be able to like check off that I did it and all that, so it'll work out. But yeah, so I used that purple one, and then I was like, well, I need to use some of this pink washi, but I didn't want to do that whole border thing again, so I just made like a little like washi out to the side of it, and I was like, well, we'll just make it like a washi pyramid. So then I used some more black and white, and I didn't go all the way. I guess it's not a pyramid, it's more like steps, I guess. Make like this one a little bit shorter, and then I used the really fat washi and went just a little bit shorter than the black and white one. Make sure there's like a wrinkle in the washi, so get that out. And then yeah, so it's like little steps, and I debated on using like more washi and going up all the way, but I kind of liked it like that. And then if I covered up the pink border, then it would be like, why did we even use pink kind of thing? I don't know. So then I was like, ooh, I think I want some washi at the bottom. So I went with that like crazy black and white washi again. And I just made it like go to the border of the days of the week where those pages in. And it's a kind of thick washi, so I'll cut off the bottom, the extra part. And I really like how that looks. And it's kind of simple, but it's really cute. So that's where I'm going to stop. Also because I'm hungry, so I'm going to go eat. Just kind of put this stuff away. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, hit the subscribe button and the little bell to be notified when I put up new videos. That really helps out the YouTube algorithm. Comment if you have any ideas of how you would like to see me decorate my planner a different week, or if you would like to see something else. Like if you have any, like, I want to see a vertical planner, I want to see like other ideas for what to decorate your planner in. Yeah, so then I went and got a marker, and wrote April. It's a brush pen, but I haven't done it in so long. It just looks like I kind of wrote with a normal marker. But it's fine. It still says April, so, and it doesn't look ugly. It just isn't brush lettering really. So, and then I did 2021 on the other side. That looks a little bit more brush lettering. It's easier for me to do like cursive brush lettering, but I really like the way the not cursive, like print looks better. So I just need to practice, and then I'll put that in my planner in that week. You can see it on my pink discs, and that's what it looks like. So, like I said, if you like the video, hit the like button, please, and I will see you next week. Yeah, that's all I got. Just cleaning up all the tools that I used, put them back together. Thanks. Bye.